You don't need clickbait to close sales, but you do need to stop selling to your niche like everybody is the same. I'm Marla Koupal. I'm a sales skills expert. I help you with sales fluent conversations, and we show you the distinctions between marketing and sales. They are not the same. Selling is not clickbait. So subscribe to this channel and know the next time that I go live so that you don't miss these tips on improving your sales game. Marketing uses hooks and urgency and sometimes hype to drive interest, but that doesn't mean the buyer is ready. They might see it, they might not be interested, they might be curious, they might ask you questions. That doesn't mean they're ready to act. In sales starts when you stop assuming that they're interested and that they're going to buy. You start discovering what captured their attention, what brought them to you. Marketing appeals to your niche, and those ads capture their interest, but you still have to discover in your sales conversation what it is that sparked the energy to get them to have a conversation with you. Let's just take a little look at your niche. It's just a group of people who might be interested. If your audience and your followers and your ideal avatar are looking, then great, marketing is working for you. But what they have are needs, desires, and a sense of adventure for something new that is unique to each of them. So their timing, their goals, their current pressures are all that get included in that sales conversation that you create with them. Everybody doesn't have an urgency to buy, but they do always have a curiosity. They have a curiosity to open a conversation. So if you're not asking real questions like what prompted them to connect with you, and you're listening only with your urgency to make a sale, well, then you're going to be pitching to a profile. You're not going to be having a conversation with the person in front of you. Nobody wants to be pitch slapped. So ask them what prompted them to connect with you, what prompted them to even look at the ad, what prompted them to be curious about what you have. If you're afraid of having a conversation based on your curiosity about the buyer, well, then stick with clickbait, because that may be all that might be effective for you. But if somebody wants to buy something and they want to have a conversation, focus on the person in front of you. Drop the niche, let the niche go. They aren't needed. You have a live body with you. So make that conversation work. Clickbait is just a solution for those of you who want to sell passively. So if you're afraid to be curious, use clickbait. If you're really ready to be curious, you love engaging with other human beings, then sales is for you, and let's up your sales fluency game. The marketing creates buzz, and sales requires that you find the clarity that the buyer is seeking. Not just is this right for me, not just is it solving a problem. We have to discover, are they even willing to act on it, even if it is a problem that they feel that they have. Sales don't happen because people belong to a niche. They happen when they get clear on the usefulness of the product for them, how it might be serving them, or maybe it's just a whimsical purchase, but they're ready because they have the money to be whimsical. So stop the pressure, get into listening. If your offers are solid and your conversations are flat, then those sales are going to be a challenge for you. So why don't you ditch anything that is telling you to say it this way, do it this way, and engage in your selling fluency in which you, with the buyer, develop clarity. Leave me a comment, subscribe, message me. Let's build conversations that convert without clickbait.